Hey, good morning, everyone. Happy Wednesday. It's July 22nd. Great to be with all of you. It's time for our chart of the week. And this week, we're going to focus in on big chip name Broadcom. AVGO is the symbol. Let's take a look at this one. So, as many of you know, over the past month, 6 weeks, some of these semiconductor stocks have really been taking it on the chin. Broadcom, one of the certainly one of the casualties of the selling that's happened in the semiconductor group. But I feel that this stock has pretty much made it's moved down. They don't have earnings coming out until September, early part of September, and you can see that the stock made a huge move into the last earnings print, which was in June, and it came back down hard. Stock made an enormous move from the end of March at from about $270 up to about $490. Now, if we put a Fibonacci retracement on that, take a look at that here. We can see that the stock came down to right around the 38% retracement level, which is right around here, and it stopped going down. So that would be a good marker for the stock to bounce. Let's call it 368 or so, and it came down there about 4 or 5 times in the past couple of weeks, from the end of June to this last week. And it's not pretty, that's for sure, but it's certainly something worthy of maybe a buy right here. We see a little bit better relative strength in the stock. We see a good, better improvement in the MACD as well too. Volume trends have started to decline, which is what you like to see when the stock kind of goes sideways here. The only caveat here is that you'd like to see a consolidation in a higher part of the chart. It's not quite there, but I mean, if you branched out to say a weekly chart, if we were looking at longer term moves for the stock, you'd see that the stock chart still remains bullish. But I don't know if it's going to get back up to these highs and fill these gaps here anytime soon. We've got one gap here, we've got one gap over here, and a few other little minor gaps over here. But I do think that certainly right back to at least the 61.8% retracement level, which is about 417, is certainly doable. And that would be about a little bit more than a 9% move, 9.5% move from current levels. So I think that this one, it's got some move over there. If it just remains sideways, you can trade that sideways range here. If it gets above that 420, well, then you've got something to work with for some more upside. So take a look at Broadcom, AVGO. Thanks very much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys next time.